Where is it? Where is it? Freaking, where the heck is this? Where is it? I know I put it in here somewhere. Gosh dang it, where are these gator deals? I know these freaking gator deals are somewhere. Oh my gosh. Dude, where are these deals? Where are these deals? Where are these deals? Huh. What the hell is this? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. In all seriousness, let's jump into finding gator deals. It's the number one question I get when people see a gator YouTube video. The comments fill up of where do I find these deals? Where do I find the people that want to borrow the money and utilize all this cash that you keep talking about, Pace? Well, that's what this video is all about. And at the end of this video, I'm going to just give you literally a $4,000 list. This list is all the top fix and flippers and buy and holders across the United States. 16,000 of them, in fact, we've spent $4,000 on, and literally I will give it to you at the end. So stick around to the end and I'll give you a URL that you can go to and just download it for completely free. So number one, everybody thinks I'm going to go to Zillow and I'm going to find my deals. Guys, Zillow, number one, let's go there. I'm not going to waste a single minute of my life on Zillow. That is such a waste of time. If you guys are on Zillow, you're wasting your life. It's old data. It's aggregated data. It is not the MLS, and better software exists. We will get into that on number 5. So number 1 is not Zillow. Stop wasting your time on Zillow and stop wasting your time on Redfin and Realtor.com. It's a waste of your time. That is not where deals are found. Number 2. It's very aptly named because it is sub 2 members. Guys, I've built an entire community of 16,600 people that are doing deals. They are finding sub 2 deals, finding fix and flips, lease options, seller finance, multifamily, RV parks, mobile home parks, and everything in between, even business buying, and they need capital. So if you are in the sub 2 community, just lend money to each other. It's number one place that I fund deals is for other sub 2 members. Now, if you're not in sub 2, totally get it. Let's cross that out. You're probably not going to do that either. And you're probably thinking, oh, he's trying to sell me a sub 2 membership. No, I'm not. I'm just telling you that's where a lot of my deals come from, is people that are actively doing deals. So number 3, another place you probably won't go is a free Facebook group. I have a free Facebook group called Creative Finance with Pace Morby. You can go to other free Facebook groups and see people that are saying, hey, I need a hard money lender. Hey, I need a lender. Hey, I need earnest money. Those types of people, just send them a message. But if you go to Creative Finance with Pace Morby, you will get them all over the place. We see over 400 deals a day posted in the Creative Finance with Pace Morby Facebook group. Number 4, we are going to go to Meetups. Now, this is completely free, but you still won't do it. I don't know why. People just don't want to go to Meetups. And then when they go to Meetups, they go, oh my gosh, my life was changed. That Meetup was incredible. I met 15 lenders. I met 4 people that are doing this, 2 people doing that. Meetups are amazing. If you're not in the sub 2 community, I can't tell you where to go for those Meetups, but you can always go to meetup.com and find generic randos that are going to real estate meetups. REIs are really good. So type in your city, REI, Real Estate Investor Association. Okay. Meetups are great. Now, number 5, let's jump into this one. Deal Sauce. I love Deal Sauce because it's the only software I know that allows me to spend a little bit of money and get exactly what I want. So let's jump into Deal Sauce. By the way, number 6 costs you no money. I got the list that I'm going to give you on number 6 on Deal Sauce. I'll show you where I find it. I'll show you other things I can find on Deal Sauce. So no more asking questions of where do deals come from. You just got to get a little bit of sauce on it. Okay. Deal Sauce. So we go over to dealsauce.io. I log in. And if you look on my screen, you're going to see right over here underneath property search, I just click on find fix and flippers. And this beautiful software allows me to just find every single fix and flipper in the United States. In fact, the list that I'm going to give you on number 6 is 16,000 people that are doing at least 25 deals every single year each. So you want to stick around for that. So I go on there and I click on fix and flippers and I will go, all right, well, let's find, how about Maricopa County? All you have to do is type in the county that you're looking for those investors in. And I can go click on residential investors in Maricopa County. Oops, not country, county. If I click on that, it's going to give me, let's find out. I'm going to guess we're probably 10,000 plus. Okay, 13,486 residential investors that have done at least 10 deals or more right here in one little city. And if I scroll out, you will see them, and I can just go through page by page. Now, Open Door did 6,120 flips last year. I don't think I want to do business with them. They probably have their own money, well capitalized. They have billions and billions of dollars. I'm going to find people that are probably doing somewhere around 50 to 60 fix and flips per year. So I would start on page number 3. You'll see William Ryan Homes, Arizona, Golden River Apartments, LLC, Samir Holdings, F&F2, LLC. All of these companies, Keegley, guess who owns that? My best friend, Jamil. They did 46 flips last year. Okay, I lend money to Jamil from time to time. So these people are borrowing money. They need your capital. So if you keep asking me, where do I find Gator deals? Come back here to number 5. You can literally go in there, search through this thing. And again, the list that I'm about to give you is these people that are doing a minimum of 25 of these deals every single year. Nationwide, it's a list of 16,000 people. If I go on Deal Sauce, I can go and find not only residential fix and flippers, I can also go in here and go, all right, well, let me click on find fix and flippers. Filters. Okay, here we go. So I can go over here and look for lead types. I can click on flipper, or I can click on landlord. And also I can click on note holder and private lender. The beautiful thing about Deal Sauce, unlike any other software, is that I can find all the fix and flippers in the United States. By the way, it's about 500,000 people are fixing and flipping actively. Deal Sauce says so. It's pulling public data, so you can see exactly county records, people pulling permits, flipping houses in less than 60, 90, 80 days. Then you've got landlords. Everybody that owns a property that is a residential rental is also listed on Deal Sauce. I think those people need money. They're doing refinances. They have earnest money. They need transactional lending. They need all sorts of money. Then I can go over to note holders and private lenders, which actually answers the question of PACE. Who are these people that give you money that you can go out and lend? Right here. Private lenders and note holders, people that are actively lending already. Those are the people I go to and I raise money from them. And then I go give money to the flippers and the landlords. And that is how I do Gator deals. All right. So for the gift that I promised you guys, we are going to be giving you 12,000. I thought it was 16,000. It's actually only 12,000. I just double checked. So go to pacesbuyerslist.com and I will just literally give you 12,000 buyers. These buyers are not normal people. These are people that are actively going out there. They're fixing and flipping. They're buying and holding, and they're doing at least 25 deals per year. These people use money for their down payments, earnest money, transactional lending, refinance capital, development capital, everything you can imagine. Those people need your capital. Now, for another video of where do I find the money to do Gator lending, click on this video and we'll see you over there.